In this video, we will be discussing the top 3 AI tools that can be used to colorize black and white photos. These tools leverage the power of artificial intelligence to automatically add colors to monochrome images, resulting in stunning, realistic, and vivid photos. Our channel covers a variety of AI technology, from educational content to entertainment and everything in between. Whether you're looking to learn something new, stay up to date on current events, or just relax and have a good time, there's something here for you. So without further ado, let's get started. Cutout Pro is a comprehensive image editing service that helps businesses and individuals create stunning visuals for their projects. With Cutout Pro, you can quickly and easily remove backgrounds, adjust colors, and enhance images with a variety of filters. VanceAI Photo Restorer offers an easy and efficient way to repair and restore old photos. Using advanced AI technology, this service can quickly and accurately identify and fix damages such as scratches, discoloration, and fading, while preserving the original photo's colors and details. IMG2Go is an online image converter and photo editor that enables users to edit, improve image quality, convert image to image, document, PDF, crop, resize, compress, and add watermarks to their photo. One can also convert video to GIF and do a lot more with the help of IMG2Go. This online editing platform is extremely easy and convenient in use. For this reason, it serves to be ideal for both amateurs and professionals. I hope you are enjoying the content. If you are and would like to see more, please consider subscribing to our channel. Your support would mean a lot and help me continue to create new and exciting content. So hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss a beat. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.